The gun pressed cold against Marcus's temple. His daughter sobbed in the corner booth. The masked man's hands shook. This was his first robbery, and it showed. "Please," Marcus whispered. "Take everything. Just don't hurt her." It was 2 a.m. in a Cleveland diner. Marcus worked 3 jobs to raise Emma alone after his wife died. Tonight was supposed to be special, Emma's 16th birthday. Pancakes at midnight, their tradition. Now they were about to die. The robber's voice cracked. "Open the register." Now. Marcus stood slowly, hands raised. That's when he saw it. The robber's jacket sleeve rode up, revealing a hospital bracelet. Children's Hospital, room 304. Marcus froze. "Your kid's sick." The gun wavered. "Shut up. Room 304. Oncology wing." Marcus's voice softened. "My wife died there 3 years ago. Cancer." The robber's mask was wet with tears now. "They won't treat her without insurance. She's 8. I lost my job. I don't know what else to do." Marcus made a choice that would go viral worldwide. He opened the register, pulled out $340, then reached for his wallet, his tip money from all 3 jobs. $89. "This is $429, Marcus said quietly. "Take it, but not as a robbery." He held out the money. "Take it as a father who understands." The robber stared, gun lowering. "I can't." "You can, and you will, because that little girl needs her daddy, not a felon." Marcus's voice broke. "I know what it's like to feel helpless, but there's always another way." The robber took the money with shaking hands. "Why would you?" "Because someone helped me once when Emma was sick. And because she's watching." Marcus nodded toward Emma. "She needs to see that compassion beats fear. Every time." The man dropped the gun and collapsed, sobbing. Marcus called his friend at the hospital. By dawn, the little girl had a doctor. By the end of the week, a GoFundMe raised $340,000. The security footage went viral. 47 million views. One reporter asked Marcus, "Weren't you scared?" Marcus looked at